Let us draw this example. This is the lifeline of this drawing. You draw these lines and then you get to know how it would look like. See, this is how your structure of the drawing. Now on top of it, if I would love to see the points, now say let me zoom and find out that if I draw a straight line, it is hitting this line. If I draw a straight line, this is my 1 point, okay? Then I drop one more line, that's where my circle would come. Then we have one more line, these are my point of contact and which I will remember it while I'll be drawing. Say this is one line straight, it going into this direction, and here it is meeting this direction. So if see that how it is touching the ankle and all, and top of it, if I draw the circle, see the circle is touching both the vertical line and the horizontal line. This is the rib structure, and from here I draw the pelvic curve. Then you have this line of cones which are there and giving the leg a shape. Same here, I would be going this knee and the shape of the feet, same shape of the feet. Then I will draw the circle for the shoulder and the hand, and this is how you finish it up. Now how does it look? The first layer, okay, let me look. First layer is this, then we would put this line for our understanding, and then we put the fundamentals, and this is your, this should be how it would look like after drawing everything. I hope this is clear. And then, oh, I missed out the circle. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let us draw this. So this is the lifeline of the drawing, this is what the angle is. And now from here I drew this line. I may not be right, but from here I started knowing, okay, my page is little tilted. This is, that's why this vertical line looks like little tilted angle, but it is actually straight. Now I have dropped those line. You remember the yellow and the red line which I drew. Now this 2 points where the circle touches, and here I have the face where I have the ear part. It goes your, the line of the rib cage. From here it makes this thigh part and the pelvic curve, and from here your leg goes down and the feet part. Here again the another thigh comes in, the femur, the ball, and then you have this feet coming in, and this is the ankle where the line meets. Then you draw the circle for the shoulder, and then the hand goes up, and this is how we make it. And this is where the another hand would be. Now look at here, see, I have changed the angle of the page. Now it looks like straight. So what happened that in this case you are actually started drawing the face from here, and then start drawing on the chest, then make this hairline, and then maybe we have to stretch a little bit for the hair, and then we'll bring the hair a little down where we have the shoulder coming in. If you cannot see, you can actually zoom a little bit while this playing, and then you can rest and pause and you can draw it, and let me know when you are drawing it. And also this entire process, we are actually, I brought one course for you which is there in the subscription model, so you can go and check it out. There are almost 4 videos are already uploaded and one lessons. So every week I would be giving you lessons to practice also. Now let me unzoom, and then let me draw this fabric. So these are all strokes which where you are drawing this fabric. Okay, I have to unzoom a little bit, zoom out, and then probably it will fit in here. And then when we have drawing this, let me draw the femur of this part. This is the thigh part, and where your calf muscles curved, and then it has a ballerina dancer. So the shoes are the ballerina dancer shoes, and then you make it the curves like this because they have a very stronger curve, and thus you can actually work on the drawing and you can make your drawing alive. Let me know how did you like it, and thank you so much for watching it.